how to send WhatsApp messages to new Pagemaker leads automatically. So assume that I have built a landing page using Pagemaker in which I have also added a form, and I want that whenever a new lead is arrived via that form submission, an automatic WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead. So if you also want to send the WhatsApp messages to your new incoming leads, then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. Now to automate this process, I'll have to first build an integration in this Pagemaker application with the Interact application, which is an application of sending the WhatsApp messages, and I am going to integrate these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. And since I'm an existing user of Pabbly Connect, you can see I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test this automation. Now once you will reach to the dashboard, firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I'm going to provide the name something like send WhatsApp messages to Pagemaker. Okay, it should be Pagemaker leads. Okay, I am providing this particular name, and after providing the name I have clicked on create, and then you will notice 2 boxes in front of me. Okay, so these are actually trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customers. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, and here according to our use case, whenever any new form submission is received in this Pagemaker application, then automatically send the WhatsApp messages via Interact application. So as I have told you, Interact is an amazing application for sending the WhatsApp messages. Okay, and now the idea here is I am going to connect both the applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly I will select the trigger event, that is webhook configuration. Okay, and then you will notice our webhook URL. Okay, so basically with the help of this URL only, I am going to build an integration in this Pagemaker and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly copy this webhook URL, and then you will have to carefully follow these instructions. Okay, so copy the webhook URL, go back to your Pagemaker application, and here firstly go to the home section. Okay, yes, I will exit it, and you will find an option of integration. Click on that integration option, then click on this add a new button, and here search for the Pabbly Connect application. Okay, I have already searched for the same. Now it will ask you to provide a random name and the webhook URL. Okay, so in this webhook URL we will paste the same URL which we have received via Pabbly Connect, and in this name section I am going to provide any random name. Okay, so Pagemaker WhatsApp connection, or I can write connect as well. Okay, now I will click on create button, and this is how this integration will be added into the Pagemaker section. And once it is done, you will have to go to your landing page. Okay, firstly I'll have to wait for this integration to be created. All right, it is created. So now I will click on this landing pages section. Here you can see I have 3 landing pages. Let me open this Pab landing page. Okay, so this is the landing page, and then I am going to click on this open in editor. Okay, so here you will notice that I have also I have also added a form in this landing page. Okay, so firstly I will expand this page, fill the below form, and we will send you a course brochure to you on WhatsApp number. Okay, so the idea here is as soon as someone is going to submit this form, I will immediately send a PDF brochure to that person. Okay, so I have added this particular lead capture form. Okay, now I am going to click on this save changes button, and then firstly I am going to preview this page in front of you. Okay, so this is the preview of my landing page. Okay, now how you can build a connection? Well, we have already pasted this URL into our Pagemaker application. Now you will have to click on this Cedric section, basically in the second section, then select the form section, okay, and after that from the right hand side you will find the option of the integration. Okay, let me show you that. Where is the option? Alright, so here you can notice the option of an integration. Currently it is actually selected as none, okay, but now I will change it to Pagemaker WhatsApp connection. Okay, so I have done that, and now I will click on the save changes option, and then I am going to preview this particular landing page once again because the integration is successful. Okay, and since the integration is successful, since the connection is successful, as soon as I will fill out this form, you will notice that the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect, and it is already waiting for that webhook response. Okay, so let me provide some dummy details. Let me submit this form with some dummy details. Okay, so assume that the name of the person is demo@pabblytudes.com. okay, asking for the first name, so I will write it as demo. In the second name I will write it as user, and finally it is asking for the mobile number. Okay, so here I'm going to provide a dummy WhatsApp number for now, but don't worry, I will replace this number with my genuine WhatsApp number when I will send the WhatsApp messages. Let us check whether it is a 10-digit number or not. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, it is correct. Now finally I am going to submit this form, and as soon as the submission is made, you will notice that the response, the same form response, will be received via Pabbly Connect, and yes, it is received, and these are the same details. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Pabbly Connect and Pagemaker is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time someone is going to submit this form, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so we can say that the first step of our automation is done. Moving further, now we are going to send the course brochure to this particular person on his WhatsApp number via Interact application. So the application is already selected. Now I need to select the action event, that is send WhatsApp template messages. I will show you what are these WhatsApp templates. Okay, firstly I am going to interact with Pabbly Connect just like we have connected Pagemaker and Pabbly Connect, and now for the connection it is asking for the token. So you will have to directly click on this hyperlink, and from here exactly you will get the token if you are already logged in into your Interact application, and yes, I am already logged in. Okay, so I will copy the token and paste it into the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so click on this developer settings and then directly copy the secret key, come back to Pabbly Connect and paste the same here, click on save, and this is how Interact and Pabbly Connect will also be connected. Now it is asking for the country code and the phone number and the full phone number. So why it is asking for the phone number at two different places? Okay, so firstly I will show you this note. Okay, it is mandatory to give a value for either full phone number or for both phone number and country code. Okay, so basically it completely depends on what kind of phone number you have. If you have the full phone number, and here the full phone number means number along with the country code. Okay, so if you have a full phone number, in that case you can provide the phone number directly into this field. But if you do not have a full phone number, if you do not have a country code, if you have a phone number only, in that case you will have to provide phone number in this specific field, and then manually we can provide the country code for that phone number. Okay, so that is why it is asking you the phone number at two different places. Okay, so currently we have a full phone number only, and remember I have intentionally provided the phone number into this format because the WhatsApp application Interact always asks you to provide the phone number into this specific format only. Okay, so in your form section you can also mention somewhere that kindly provide the country code along with the plus sign to your form submitter, so that you do not have to add anything additionally here. Okay, so here I am going to provide this number into this field, and the interesting thing is I don't need to manually copy this number and paste it here. I am going to map this number, and mapping is very simple. When you will click on this field, you will find the above data here in the drop down. Okay, simply select that data, and this is how it will be mapped. And now you must be thinking, what is this mapping? So whatever the details you will map here, these details will replace automatically when this automation will work in real time, and whatever the details I'm providing here manually, these details will remain same, it will not change. Okay, so that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place. Okay, moving further, it is asking for the template code name. Okay, so before we provide the code name of the template, let me first show you what is this template. Okay, so whenever you will send the WhatsApp messages using some official WhatsApp Cloud API application, okay, basically Interact has the access of WhatsApp Cloud API, official WhatsApp Cloud API. So whenever you are sending the messages using official Cloud API, firstly you will always have to create a new template and get it approved via Facebook. Okay, so couldn't reconnect you, I'll have to refresh this. Alright, so it is done. So whenever you are sending the WhatsApp messages using the WhatsApp Cloud API application, make sure you will always have to firstly create a new message template. Once the template is created, you will have to submit it for the approval. If that template is approved, then only you will be able to initiate the conversation with your customers and clients. Okay, so this is the concept of WhatsApp templates, and if I will visit this active section, you will notice that I have already created lots of templates into my Interact application, and the templates marked with the green color are actually the approved one. The templates marked with the red color are actually the rejected one. Okay, so currently we have 3 kind of status in total, that is approved, pending and rejected. Okay, so if you will notice some template with the orange color, well, that template will be considered as the pending one. Okay, so these are the various templates, and which template I have created for sending the course brochure, let me show you. Firstly, I am going to click on this name, contains, and how about I directly make a search, that is brochure. Okay, so this is the template which has got approved already. Basically I have taken the approval already, and the name of the template is general brochure template. Okay, the language I have selected is English, the category is utility. Okay, and the header was optional, I'm sorry for that, but still I have included a document because I am sending the brochure. I want that my PDF brochure should be attached into the message, and in this way the WhatsApp messages should be sent. Okay, so that is why I have selected the document. In case you want to attach any video, any image or a text, you can also do the same. Okay, now finally from this body section, one can create and compose his WhatsApp message which he would like to send to their customers and clients. Okay, now you must be thinking that in this message what are these curly braces tagged with the numbers. Okay, so these are called as the variables. Okay, so whatever the values I want to keep on changing automatically, I have specifically added those values in the form of variable. Okay, and you can add as many as variables as you want inside your message template. Currently I am into the preview mode, so that is why I am not able to access those options. Okay, but when you will edit your template, when you will create your new template, you will find lot of formatting options along with the adding variable button. Okay, so let me show you the message. Hello, and I want that the name of the customer, name of the form submitter should be appear here automatically. Thank you for your inquiry. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our dash brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can check all the details. For more details, you can visit our website, and here I am going to attach the website link. Okay, so this is the message, and with the help of this single message only, I am going to send the WhatsApp messages to all the form submitter. Again, footer and buttons were also optional, so I have not included any. Okay, and if you want to attach any footer or button along with your message, you can do the same. And once your template is created, firstly you will have to provide the samples, which are nothing but just the data which will appear in place of these variables. Okay, so basically we are telling the system that what value will come in place of these variables. Okay, so once you will provide the dummy data in place of these variables, then you can easily submit this template for the approval. Once this template is approved, you are all set to go. Basically, you are ready to use this template. Okay, so let me first copy the name of the template, that is general. Basically, the code of the template, that is general brochure template. Coming back to my Pabbly Connect's dashboard, let me paste the same here, asking for the language code. Okay, so if you have selected English as the language, the code is going to be EN. If you have selected English US as the language, the code is going to be EN and US. Okay, so let me add the same, that is EN for English language, asking for the header value. So remember, we have specifically attached a header along with our message. Okay, so I just need to provide the value of the header. Okay, so let me show you. Into my notepad, I have the link of my brochure. Basically, this is the link of the Google Drive. Okay, this is a PDF brochure. Again, it is just a random link, random PDF file which I am attaching here. Now it will ask you the body variable values. The most interesting part, basically you will have to provide the values of the variable. Okay, and you just need to provide the values separated with a comma. Okay, so assume that you have two variables in your template. In that case, you will have to provide the value of the two separated by a comma. Okay, currently let us check how many variables we have in our template. Okay, so there are around 1 2 3 4. I have 4 variables in total. Okay, so that is why I'm going to provide the 4 values here separated by a comma one by one. Okay, in place of first variable, I want that the name of the form submitter should appear. Okay, so I will click on this field and here you will notice the form submission data. Let me add the first name, giving it a space, and let me also map the last name demo user. So I have successfully provided the value to the first variable. Now I will put a comma and then I am going to provide the value to the second variable, which was, I'll have to check. One of our team will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our dash brochure. Okay, so here I will write something like our course brochure. Okay, I can write something like this. Okay, I'm providing this value manually. Okay, brochure, or I can also write beautician course brochure. All right, so I have also provided the value to the second variable. Now, what is the third variable? For more details, you can visit our website. So again, my website link is the thing which is not going to change, so I can provide this value also manually. Okay, I am sorry for that. Alright, so I have copied the link. Coming back here and let me paste the link of my website, and lastly it is asking thank you, and you will have to provide your company name. Okay, so again, the company name is not the thing which is going to change every time. Okay, so how about I provide any random name, something like Pabbly team. Okay, so I think I have provided all the important data. Okay, and I have not included any button, any dynamic URL, so I am going to leave these two fields blank. And remember, we have mapped this full phone number. This was just a dummy number, so I am going to replace this dummy number with my genuine WhatsApp number. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp, this is my personal WhatsApp which is already open. I'm going to provide my number only here, and then you will see how a WhatsApp message will be arrived automatically. Alright, so I have provided my genuine WhatsApp number. Clicking on this button, here you can see that response is received. Let me go back to my WhatsApp web, and here first I will refresh and wait for the message to be arrived. And here you can see the message is arrived from Pabbly Team Interact. Okay, let me open this message. Hello demo user, thank you for your inquiry. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our beautician course brochure. Okay, this brochure is actually for 2 times. Why? I'll have to check. I think in our template also we have added this brochure, and manually while providing the values to the variable all, I have provided this brochure 2 times. Okay, so I just need to remove this brochure from here, and this is how I will receive the correct message. Okay, which we have attached with this message, from where you can see all the details. For more details, you can visit our website. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time someone is going to submit your lead capture form, now you will be able to send the WhatsApp messages to your leads automatically by simply setting up an automation in between Page Builder and Interact application with the help of Pabbly Connect. Okay, and once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this link into my description box. You just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.